Real security, it really starts with one simple question. Who's at the door? It's all about knowing and controlling who gets access to your property. At Ragnar Tech, that's exactly what we do. We design and install intelligent intercom systems that keep both your business and your home truly safe. Just think about it for a second. How do you currently keep tabs on everyone coming and going? You've got couriers, new staff, clients, maybe even just the kids' friends at home. It's a lot to manage, right? Well, there's a much smarter way to handle all of that, a way to get total control and, honestly, some real peace of mind. And it all begins with a modern, intelligent intercom system. That's the foundation for everything. Okay, let's talk about the business world first. Because here, it's not just about keeping the wrong people out. It's about letting the right people in, smoothly, efficiently, and with total confidence. It's about communication. We're all used to the old keycard systems, aren't we? They're okay, but they have a huge flaw. A keycard can be lost, it can be borrowed. You never really know who's using it. But with video verification, that all changes. You get reliable, visual proof of who's at the door. No more guesswork. So what does this actually mean for your business? Well, for starters, way better security at every single entry point. It also means your teams can talk to each other instantly, even across a huge warehouse or office park. And, crucially, you get to decide exactly who has access to your most sensitive areas. All right, let's bring it all back home, because that same smart technology that secures a massive office building can bring an amazing level of convenience and calm right to your own front door. Picture this. You're out, maybe at the shops, and you get a little alert on your phone. It's that delivery you've been waiting for. You can see the driver right there, have a quick chat through two-way audio, and then remotely unlock the gate for them, all with just a tap. That's what we're talking about. So a smart intercom is an absolute game changer for your main entrance. But what if you wanted to see the bigger picture? Not just who's at the door, but everything happening around your property. That's where we take security to the next level. This is where things get really powerful. Our intercom systems are built to pair perfectly with high-definition CCTV. They work together, creating this seamless security network that covers every single angle. And what's the result of that equation? A complete security solution. You get the full picture. You can see, hear, and even record everything in crisp HD. And you can access all of it from the smartphone that's already in your pocket. It's total control. So whether you're looking to protect your business or your family, the path to a safer, smarter space is actually pretty clear. The only question left is, are you ready to take that next step? Look, this isn't just about sticking a new gadget on the wall. This is a genuine upgrade to your security, your day-to-day convenience, and the way you communicate. It's about making life safer and, let's be honest, a whole lot easier. Ready to see how this could work for you? Just head over to ragnartech.org and book a free site visit. There's no obligation at all. We'll come out and show you exactly how a system designed for your space can give you the security and peace of mind you deserve.